Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel JK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. India's first hydrogen fuel cell buses has been launched in which city? A. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. B. Dehradun, Uttarakhand. C. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. D. Leh Ladakh. Correct answer is D. Question number 2. The Karai camel is native to which state? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. Which ministry has launched the Adi Karm Yogi program to bridge gaps between tribal welfare policies and real implementation? A. Ministry of Rural Development. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Correct answer is D. Question number 4. What is the name of the operation launched by the CBI to combat cybercrime involving mule bank accounts? A. Operation Cyber Shield. B. Operation Chakra 5. C. Operation Digital Strike. D. Operation SafeNet. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. Where was the foundation stone for India's first national cooperative university laid? A. West Bengal. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is D. Question number 6. Eklavya Model Residential School is a flagship scheme of which ministry? A. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. B. Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Urban Development. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Which state has introduced the Prevention of Offences Against Holy Scriptures Bill in July 2025? A. Gujarat. B. Punjab. C. Haryana. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. Which state government has approved the Agriculture Artificial Intelligence Policy in June 2025? A. Jharkhand. B. Maharashtra. C. Odisha. D. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. What is the name of the campaign under which the Uttar Pradesh government has convicted over 97,000 criminals since July 2023? A. Operation Convention. B. Operation Justice. C. Operation Rakshak. D. Operation Shakti. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. Reclaim Framework is an initiative to which ministry? A. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. C. Ministry of Coal. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Question number 11. Which city has launched India's first digital house address project? A. Jaipur. B. Indore. C. Noida. D. Lucknow. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Which state has become first in India to join Cruise Bharat mission? A. Punjab. B. Gujarat. C. Jharkhand. D. Haryana. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. National Standard for Civil Service Training Institute 2.0 framework was developed by which government body? A. Capacity Building Commission. B. Indian Institute of Public Administration. C. Ministry of Law and Justice. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 14. What is the name of committee constituted by central government to handle major disaster with national impact? A. National Emergency Response Committee. B. Central Disaster Monitoring Board. C. National Crisis Management Committee. D. National Disaster Coordination Council. Correct answer is C. Question number 15. Kavach 4.0 is an automatic train protection system introduced by which organization? A. Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. B. Research Design and Standards Organization. C. Defense Research and Development Organization. D. Ministry of Transport. Correct answer is B. Question number 16. Which institution has launched the India Electric Mobility Index? A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Bureau of Indian Standard. C. Niti Aayog. D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Correct answer is C. Question number 17. What is the name of AI powered tool launched by the government to generate structured minutes of Gram Sabha meeting? A. Sabha Sar, B. Sarpanch Samvad, C. E-Gram Mission, D. Viksit Panchayat. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. What is the main focus of Brown Revolution 2.0 in India? A. Promoting leather and coffee production. B. Restoring soil health and improving agro waste management. C. Increasing dairy production. D. Expanding irrigation facilities. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. Where was India's first privately funded mathematics research institute launched? A. New Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Question number 20. Which state government has launched a Baghiya Maa Ke Naam project for women of self-help group? A. Haryana, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Question 21. My Bharat Abda Mitra are trained by which institution? A. Niti Aayog, B. National Disaster Management Authority, C. State Disaster Response Force, D. Indian Red Cross Society. Correct answer is B. Question 22. Which state government announced cashless medical treatment for all teachers on Teachers' Day in September 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Question 23. Which ministry launched the Adi Yuva Fellowship and Adi Karmyogi Volunteers Program? A. Ministry of Youth Affairs, B. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, C. Ministry of Rural Development, D. Ministry of Education. Correct answer is B. Question 24. The Armed Forces Act was enacted by the Parliament in which year? A. 1956, B. 1957, C. 1958, D. 1959. Correct answer is C. Question 25. Where was the 10th National Level Pollution Response exercise conducted in October 2025? A. Mumbai, B. Visakhapatnam, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Correct answer is D. Thank you and I hope you like the video.